Hey guys, so in this video I found out how to get Grindr Xtra for free. So if you guys do not know, this is the premium Grindr subscription that lets you see who likes you and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it for free in this video. It's not very confusing or anything. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the settings. We're going to go to the battery and turn the low power mode off. So once you do that, guys, we're now ready to download the Grindr mod. So go to tweakmod.com. And once you're on the website, guys, we're going to go up to the search bar and type in Grindr. And there's the modded version. We're going to press install. Now, bear in mind, guys, this is going to involve no computer, no jailbreak, and no wires. So now we're just going to wait for it to download here, as you can see. So let's just give it a second to load. And we should have the free Grindr Xtra. So yeah, it's pretty sick because Grindr is not really going to give you any free stuff. They make you pay to see who likes you, and it sucks. So we're at the end now. So basically what's going to happen is it's going to bring us to a new page where we have to download the missing file. So as you can see, it's going to say this is like videos you can watch, but you're going to see all these apps. So what you got to do is download 2 of the apps, follow instructions. So Travel Town, you got to reach level 10. So press on it, press continue, download it, and reach level 10, bro. So that's pretty simple. It's just a game. I can do that. So yeah, most of these are very easy to do. There's also like text now, merge gardens. You got to reach level 9. So just press on it, bang up to the store. You download it and reach level 9. So fairly easy to do, guys. But that is how to get the Grindr Xtra for free, guys. It fully works. So just make sure you're completing the verification, running the apps. If you do this app, you got to reach level 10 on it, which is fairly easy to do. So you can do that one if you want. But anyway, guys, at the end, you will get the Grindr Xtra for free. You can view all profiles for free, send unlimited likes, and I think you can also like broadcast yourself so you're the top profile. So there's lots of good benefits to having Grindr Premium or Grindr Xtra. I believe the official name for it is Grindr Xtra. But that's how to get it, guys. So yeah, there's all these apps here. Pretty boring, but it's necessary, and it's a one-time process. So after you do it for the first time, guys, you never have to do it again. So that's sick. So yeah, be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you want to get free Grindr Xtra, free Grindr Premium, whatever it is called. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. And I did the Travel Town personally because it's easy. And yeah, you just got to reach level 10, bro. That's so simple. So be sure to try it out, and you don't have to do this. You can do some other one, but I just think that's a pretty easy one. There's lots of them here, so you guys are going to see that no matter where you live, you got something going on, probably. But apparently, if you do live in another country, there is the chance that the apps will be totally different. But that's normal because maybe the app isn't supported in your region. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.